Welcome to Ain't Scared Garage. We're in the truck. Like I said, the roof leaks a little bit on the garage. Just a little bit, so we're going to do something in the truck. Stand by. You got this problem. That's right. Cracked dashboard. This one isn't terrible, but it is cracked in several places, and a real bad one right there. What we're going to do is a cheap fix. Well, it's not really a fix, it's a cover-up. And it's a quick one. It can be expensive, and it can be reasonable. I'll show you how to do it reasonable. And this is our cover-up. It's just a piece of carpet, but it's cut to fit. But what I found was people can be stupid about how much they want for this little piece of carpet. It's dumb. This one was reasonable. It looks like heck right now, but what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to install it so that it looks good. What it comes with are these. This is little tabs that they're actually Velcro. Let me just open. I hate these bags. Little Velcro tab, and it sticks on the inside of the carpet like that and holds it in place. And then the little 3M stuff on the back of it will stick it to the dashboard. But you got to clean the dashboard off first. Now this dashboard is an absolute mess because I've had parts all parked in here and everything. I'm going to just get this tough stuff here. I'm going to spray it down good here, and we're going to clean this thing up before we go to put this pad on. You've seen me pull this tough stuff before. I love it. I've been using it for years. You spray it on and just let it sit there and let it soak a little bit. And this side's not so bad, so I'm gonna... Here, see, the big crack here, it's cracked here, here. It's all cracked. Now the dashboard's clean. I'm gonna let it dry a minute. Once it's dried up, we got alcohol. Not that kind of alcohol, probably alcohol. On a nice damp rainy day, humid rainy day, that dashboard took forever to dry. Now this sucker don't come with directions, so I already tried this once, but I have to figure it out again where everything goes. We'll put it up here. Okay, some of it's kind of obvious. There's your vents. And obviously the radio goes here, so we know we want this here. Doesn't quite cover that one up, huh? Well, that's okay. That's all gonna be changed anyway. It's been sitting in the truck, and I got a funny feeling that it's shrunk. So let's see if we can stretch it out a little bit. It wasn't actually held down. Yeah, I really do think it did. I'll put this here. It should be to here. This side doesn't want to stretch down where I want it. What we have to watch is right here. It's your side vent. So you got to make sure this clears that side vent completely. Theoretically, that goes there. Then that pulls this over. Let's see how this goes. What we'll do is put this right on there. Now, that's stuck on there. Then I'll peel that off, put it on where I want it. Before I go any further. Remember the alcohol? I want to use this. Afraid to put it down on there because that one just wouldn't stick. It's stuck Now, I think this should come across like this. Like I said, it doesn't have no direction, so do what you think. I'm going to cross there. This one's going to come here. Really don't like the way that fits, but it seems to be correct. And if it's wrong, I'm screwed. Well, not really. I can pull these off. No, that's that other one. I can pull these off and put some, I've got 3M tape, just put some new tape on the back of them. What I'll do with that one that didn't stick, so I can use it. Obviously another day. After rethinking this whole approach, I decided to pull this whole thing off. Now that it's been in the heat, it has stretched. Like I said, they didn't give enough Velcro, so I got Velcro. Because I think I would like to make sure that it sticks up here a little different. And it's a little tricky to get it up there, but it works, so that things settle a little neater. So I just figured where do they need to be. Got one here, and I actually got one here, and I put another one here because this kind of slopes down, and it was not falling in. It was coming across this way and not really following the contour like I wanted to. Up here, got one here, got one up in there, there, and then right there in the middle, a couple more over there, and the ones across the dashboard. You know, I think I'm going to try and lay it in there first before we change it. So now, what we'll do, I'll get some idea of what I'm doing here. Put this Velcro on this side like I did on the other side. Make it look right, it needs a lot more than what they gave you. Well, I think that looks pretty good. I've got what we got. I'm hoping that's going to lay down there in the middle as it heats up. I'm hoping this will lay down. It looks like kind of sticking up a little bit, but I'm going to let that go and see if it won't lay down naturally. My vents all seem to be clear, and I should be fine for that. Sure would like this to lay down some more, but we'll see. I'm gonna put something up on the middle here, try to hold it down, and maybe it'll come into play. And a little tool tray here is nice and heavy. Put it right here. Hold that down on that tray. This tray here I think will fall in okay. I think. Get one of these, don't just lay it out and leave it there, because when I first got it, I thought, well, I'll just lay it out and it'll flatten out. But what happened was it shrunk because it wasn't stretched the way it was supposed to be. When I put it on here, this thing fit like a glove. So it set in here with the heat, and the heat shrunk it up because it wasn't stretched out and tied down to the Velcro. So make sure you don't do that. I'll put a link for this down in the that way. And it's only about 30 bucks, and it, you know, for 30 bucks it looks really nice. It actually kind of gives it a little elegant look, you know, for redneck truck. That's gonna wrap it for this one. See you next time on Ain't Scared Garage. Ah!